Hey everyone, Chlorine King here. I'm here at a nasty green pool I'm cleaning up for a new tenant. Just purchased a home, and you can see it's pretty nasty. If you look down here, you can see the debris on the steps, and there's just debris all over the place. Now I'm going to do a little unconventional method anyways. I'm going to use a portable vacuum system, and normally it's not a good fit for this type of cleanup because of all the large debris and a combination of the small debris. So what happens is you stick your vacuum down there and it will clog the bags. Now if you have a power vac or a hammerhead, for instance, what will literally happen is it'll blow the bag off and you won't find it again until you clean the pool up and it's clear enough for you to find the bag. Ask me how I know that one. If you have a Riptide vacuum system, it'll never blow off, but what'll happen is you'll lose suction and it won't pick anything up, so then you're stuck having to empty the bag a bunch of times in order to get through this. So normally portable vacuum system isn't the way to go, but the guys at Riptide, being so innovative, they made a prototype bag to send to me to give this a shot, and it's a green pool bag basically. And you can see here it's a very porous bag. I like to think of it as like a laundry bag like you'd find at Walmart or something. It's very porous. It allows a lot of the small debris that would normally clog up the bag and lose suction, or in the other systems cause a blow off, to pass through, and then it's fine enough to capture all the leaves and large debris that you'd find in the bottom of a green pool. So you can tell it's a very deep pocket. It's a good I don't know, 3 to 4 feet long, so it gives you the ability to capture basically anything you need and not have to empty the bag a bunch of times when you're cleaning the pool. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how it works. So the bag just clips on just like any other Riptide bag does. So if you guys are used to this system, you are used to putting these on. Super simple, and once you get it on there, it's not coming off.
Information coming in, it's a hotline, overloaded. It's the information pipeline, pool clean, and we got the receipts, we got you covered, so you don't worry about the upkeep. Filters, we did that. Debris, we cleared that. We taking care of every single thing, so don't fear that. Pool professionals on top of the job. We got the proof, so you know you ain't getting robbed. We made a list, and we checking it twice. We make sure we do it right, cause you pay the price. We know you want your pool looking really nice. Chlorine King Pool Service, always do it right. Now, check your email, here comes the paper trail. Always on time, you know it never fail. Ain't gotta wonder what we did, we got receipts coming straight to your inbox when the job is complete. Check your email, here comes the paper trail. Always on time, you know it never fail. Detailed reports on the pool we inspect. Water levels good to go, all check. Timestamps.
Now I'll go ahead and bring it up. So you can see all the stuff that caught in the bottom that normally would have caused the bag to blow off or anything like that. So this is pretty awesome. Now once you're done with vacuuming, all you do is you rinse it off with a hose. Now you're done. So when it comes to cleaning out a green pool, the Riptide guys have an absolute winner. This bag didn't blow off one time, and I vacuumed the entire pool, got out a bunch of crap, and did its job it's supposed to do. So wait for the final production, and as always, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Have a great day, everyone.